Hello, hello everyone. My name is Abdulaziz. My topic today is it's better to walk or run in the rain. Rain has an undeniable current. Is it cleanses the air, nourishes the earth, and creates an ambience of serenity. serenity. Yet, when cloud unexpectedly under its downpour, the practicalities of staying dry often take precedence over its poetic apparel. The question has lingered in many minds. Is it better to work or run the rain? This seemingly simple query has intrigued science, philosopher, and everyday individual alike. To explore the question, we will consider physical principles, real-world scenarios, and even psychological aspects. By the end, we might not only find an answer, but also gain a deeper appreciation for how science and human behavior intersect. First, the physically the physical the physical of rainfall. To understand the problem, let's first dive into the physical of rain. Rain falls vertically or horizontally, so depending on what condition. When a person moves through the rain, they encounter Doppler in two ways. One, vertical exposure. This is the rain to falls uh, directly on top of the head and shoulder. Two, horizontal exposure. These are occurs as one moves forward, encountering doubles that would otherwise fall to the ground. Walking slowly minimize horizontal exposure but prolong the time spent under vertical exposure. Running reduces the time spent in the rain but increases the rate of horizontal exposure. The challenge lies in finding the balance between these two factors. 2. Theoretical instinct. Studies in physical mathematics has tackled this question. The consensus is the running generally results in less overall wetness. By moving quickly, you reduce the time spent under vertical exposure, which does to have a greater impact than the additional droplets encountered horizontally. However, this conclusion depends on various factors. rain intensity. During a drizzly, the difference between walking and running might be negligible, but in the terrestrial downpour, running often a significant advantage. With direction, if the wind block against your direction of movement, running exposes you to more rain. Conversely, the mic is at your back. Running allows you to avoid much of the rain. 3. Body shape and size. Tailor individual or just carrying with object may expressive more horizontal explore gradually of speech. Thirdly, real work scenarios. Consider a scenario where you are count in the rain without the umbrella. If the distance to shelter is short, running is almost always preferable. How many images exposures time? The horizontal exposure becomes insignificant over such a short span. But for long distance, the question becomes more complex. Suppose you're carrying a backpack or wearing a coat. Running might not only shock your outer layer, but also create friction and discomfort. On the other hand, walking cloth ensures the water saturates your clothing more evenly, potential making it easier to manage on indoors. 40. The role of cloning. Cloning significantly impact the war or land dilemma. Whether resin materials or height can reduce vertical exposure. Thin fitting closer might absorb less water than loose ones, which acts like a sponsor in such case. The advantage of running limited cycle. The primary goal is for avoiding exposure to managing the water absorbed by clothing. Practical tips. 1. Evaluate the distance. If the destination is nearby, running is usually the best option. 2. Assess the rainfall. In like drizzle making mic surface, especially if you are not in hurry. 3. Check with condition. Adjust your speed based on wind direction to minimize exposure. 4. Dress accordingly. Wear water resistant gear when rain is likely. 5. Embrace the moment. Something the best approach is to accept that getting when is inevitable, enjoying the express. Uh, Finally, a philosophical perspective. Beyond practically, the work around question often a metaphor for life's challenge, something we rush avoid discover only to encounter different obstacles. After time, we lost down captain adversity as part of the journey. The Rhine, much like a trial, is unavoidable. A response, whether to walk, run, and dance in its defense the experience. In conclusion, so it is better walk or run in the rain. The answer depends on the context. If staying dry is your priority, running is generally more effective, especially over short distance during heavy rain, but its cover of respective take precedence. Walking might be the better choice. Ultimately, the rain remains use of natural's unpredictably and our ability to adapt. Whether you chose to walk, run, or simply pause to enjoy the ride, the decision carries its own logic and beauty. It's all from me. Thank you for your attention.